सभी दोस्तों को हमारा नमस्कार। स्वागत हमारे YouTube चैनल एक्सेल ऑफिशियल क्लासेस में। जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, आज हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो रहेगा स्पेयर। हमने आपको सिलेंडर पढ़ा दिया है, कोन पढ़ा दिया है, बाकी आगे के टॉपिक आपको पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं। आज हम आगे बढ़ने से पहले हम आपको बता दें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए। और हमारा जो कोचिंग का ऐप है वो लॉन्च हो चुका है, प्ले स्टोर पर आप जाकर उसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, एक्सेल ऑफिशियल क्लासेस पर। और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए, शेयर करते रहिए, लाइक करते रहिए वीडियोस को। आप सभी से एक विनम्र निवेदन और है कि अपने घरों में सुरक्षित रहिए तथा अपनी परिवार की सुरक्षा करिए। वायरस बहुत तेजी से फैल रहा है, इसीलिए हम आप लोगों के मेहनत के लिए, आप लोगों की पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत कर रहे हैं। चलिए आते हैं आज के अपने आगे टॉपिक पे। टेलीग्राम चैनल हमारा है एक्सेल कोचिंग क्लासेस नाम से। अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है ज्वाइन करने में, आप इस नंबर पर संपर्क कर सकते हैं 9452916895। ये मेरा पर्सनल नंबर है, मेरा नाम अभिषेक तिवारी है। नंबर को आप सेव कर लीजिए अपने फोन में। चलिए अब आते हैं अपने टॉपिक पे। हमारा टॉपिक चल रहा था मेंसुरेशन। मेंसुरेशन में आज का जो टॉपिक है हमारा वो है स्पेयर। स्पेयर जो है हमारा अगला टॉपिक है। चलिए बात करते हैं स्पेयर की। तो पहले तो हम बना लेते हैं डायग्राम। ठीक है, हमने बना लिया, ये डायग्राम बना लिया। ये कुछ इसके पार्ट्स हम बना रहे हैं स्पेयर के। ठीक, चलिए लेक्चर हमारा जो है इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले बच्चों के लिए है। इसकी हिंदी मीडियम में वीडियो अपलोड की जाएगी। ये टॉपिक खत्म हो जाए फिर सिलेंडर का, कोन का तथा स्पेयर का, ये तीनों लेक्चर्स आपको हिंदी मीडियम में मिलेंगे। तब तक आप ये देख लीजिए और कमेंट करते रहिए। बताइए कमेंट बॉक्स करके कि हम सही पढ़ा रहे हैं, नहीं पढ़ा रहे हैं। आशा करते हैं हमारी तरफ से सब कुछ सही होगा। कहीं गलती होती है उसके लिए माफ करिएगा। चलिए आते हैं अपने टॉपिक पे। पहले तो हम नोट करेंगे कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द स्फीयर। ये होता है 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर। इसके बाद बात करेंगे वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर। ये होता है हमारा 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब। So these are the two formulas which we are going to use in our topic sphere. First, curved surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Secondly, volume of the sphere is equals to 4/3 pi r cube. Please learn these two formulas, because if this formula is not in your mind, you cannot do single question of sphere topic. So please learn this formula. Now note it down. CSC is equals to 4 pi r square and volume is equals to 4/3 pi r cube. चलिए आ जाते हैं क्वेश्चन पे। हम अपने मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हम आपको यहां पे कराएंगे। 2 से 3 प्रश्न कराने वाले हैं। आई एम हियर टू गिव यू द बेस्ट फॉर योर अपकमिंग एग्जाम। नाउ प्लीज नोट डाउन। Find the expenditure. First question. Find the expenditure for coloring a curved surface. For coloring a curved surface of a hemispherical dome of a hemispherical dome of diameter 10 meter of diameter 10 meter at the rate of 1.40 square meter. 1.40 meter square. Now please see the question very carefully. Find the expenditure for coloring a curved surface of a hemispherical dome of diameter 10 meter at the rate of rupees 1.40 meter square. As I tell you earlier, firstly we have to note down the values which are given in our question. Now in this question, diameter of a sphere is given. Diameter is equals to 10 meter. It means radius is equals to 10 upon 2, that is 5 meter. Now put the formula of curved surface area. Why we are putting this formula? Because we have to find out the expenditure for coloring the curved surface only. So we put the formula of curved surface. Now CSA is equals to 4 pi r square. It becomes 4 into 22 upon 7 into 5 into 5. It becomes 88 into 25 upon 7. That is equals to 88 into 25. We multiply both. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40 plus 4 44. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17. 6 4 10. 7 4 11 1 12 1 1 2. This becomes 2200 upon 7. Now divide it by 7. 7 3s are 21. Balance 1. 7 1s are 7. 7 4s are 38. 7 2s are 14. 7 8s are 56. So this is the curved surface area. Now let's see. This is talking about hemispherical dome. Hemispherical dome. Not talking about whole sphere. Hemispherical dome like this. So divided by 2. Divided by 2 for hemisphere. For hemisphere. Then it becomes 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are. This is the CSA of hemisphere. Meter square. Now expenditure is equals to 1.40 into 157.14. Multiply 1.4 with 157.14. Now this becomes 157.14 and 1.4. 0 0 0 0 0. Step by step I am telling you from 0. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 1 5, 4 7s are 28, 4 5s are 20 plus 2 22, 4 1s are 4 2 6. 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 1 7s are 7, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1, 0 6 5 4 9 8 1 9 7 2 9 6 5 11 1 1 2. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Then it becomes 219.99, or we can say 220 rupees. So the expenditure for coloring a curved surface of this hemisphere is rupees 220. Please note down the question. Please subscribe our channel and share as more as possible. We are here to give you the best for your upcoming board exams. Now I am roughing out the question. Now just see one thing more. When we talk about the hemisphere, when we talk about the CSA of hemisphere, then we can say 4 pi r square upon 2. It becomes 2 pi r square. This is the formula of CSA of hemisphere. Either you can calculate all calculation and at last divide the answer by 2, or directly use this formula. Now question number 2. The edge of a cube is 4 centimeter. The edge of a cube is 4 centimeter. A largest possible sphere, a largest possible sphere is curved out from the cube. Is curved out from the cube. Find the surface area. Find first surface area and second volume of sphere. Now see, suppose that this is the cube. This is the cube from which we have to cut out the sphere. Now cube edge. The edge of a cube is 4 centimeter. It means diameter of the sphere is equals to 4 centimeter. Then the radius of sphere becomes 4 upon 2 is equals to 2 centimeter. Now first thing, we have to find out the surface area. Put the surface area of the sphere. Put the formula of surface area of the sphere. That is 4 pi r square. Now putting all the values, 4 into 22 upon 7 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4 4s are 16 into 22. 16 2s are 32. 16 2s are 32 plus 33. It means 35 upon 7. Now divided by 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 16 2s are 32. 16 2s are 32 plus 3. 35 upon 7. Then 7 5s are 0. 7 2s are 14. 7 8s are 56. This becomes the surface area of the sphere. Now coming on the volume. Volume of sphere. In a case, just listen, in a case, if in a question that given, please put your answer in the value of pi. Then do not put the value of pi in your solution. Directly give your answer in terms of pi. It means 16 pi centimeter square. This is the right answer in terms of 16 pi. Now volume of sphere is equals to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 4s are 32 into 22 upon 21. Now divide 704 by 21. If question is saying that put your answer in terms of pi, then we can write it as 2 2s are 4, 2s are 16, 16 4s are 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8 4s are 32 upon 3 pi. This is the answer in terms of pi. If in a case it is not given that, please do not give your answer in terms of pi, then we have to solve full calculation. 21 3s are 63. 21 3s are again decimal 0, 21 5 is 5 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So this is the right answer. 33.5 centimeter cube. The edge of a cube is 4 centimeter. A largest possible sphere is carved out from the cube. Then find the surface area and volume of the sphere. Firstly, we have to make a diagram. In diagram, we have to cut out the largest piece. Then the largest piece can be cut through their edge. Now, taking the diameter of the sphere as 4 centimeter, divided by 2, we have to find out the radius. Then we got the radius of the sphere. Directly put the formula of surface area of the sphere. That is 4 pi r square. Now putting all the values, we got the answer. After that, we have to find out the volume of sphere. So we put the formula of volume of sphere, that is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Then putting all the values, and we got the answer of volume of the sphere. Now this is our question. Please note down and subscribe our channel and share as more as possible. Now, coming on the next third question. I am here to tell you the most 3 important questions daily in our video. So please note down, because if I am making more than 3 questions, the video is getting very long. Now, coming on the third question. The surface area of a sphere is 264 centimeters square. The surface area of a sphere is 264 centimeters square. Find the total surface area of its sphere. Find the total surface area of its hemisphere. Now please see the question very carefully. The surface area of a sphere is 264 centimeter square. Now put the formula of surface area. Surface area is equals to 4 pi r square. 264 is equals to 4 pi r square. Now here r square is equals to 264 upon 4 pi. Cutting this by 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. Then r square is equals to 66 pi. R square is equals to 66 pi. Now put this in the formula of total surface area of hemisphere. Then total surface area of hemisphere 3 pi r square. Now TSC of hemisphere is equals to 3 pi r square. We have r square. Now putting the value 3 into we have to find out pi r square. It becomes 264 upon 4. Then pi r square is equals to 66. Put the value of pi r square from here into this formula. 3 into 66. It becomes 3 6 18. 3 6 18 plus 1. 19, 198 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of hemisphere. What we have to find out in our questions. Please note down. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Excel Official Classes and download our Play Store app Excel Official Classes. If you have any problem in downloading, please contact in this number 9452916895. This is my personal number. Anytime you can contact me for any problem. Just text me send me the photo of any question. We have the team to solve out the problem and reply you as soon as possible. Thank you. आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार, सभी माताओं बहनों को मेरा प्रणाम, धन्यवाद।